Dave said, I can help you find relief. And he did.
We're going to take the time to listen, assess, and adapt our techniques to meet your needs each visit.
Even with all the surgeries, I didn't drain properly. That's where all my problems came, all the infections, the pressure and everything. And they have a procedure called CFR, Cranial Facial Release. I was amazed after the first day, I could concentrate better.
When we talk about cranial facial release, we talk about normalizing the cranium. It's a gentle technique. It's not going to hurt you, but it's something you got to really open your mind to because it's not traditional chiropractic.
My sinuses opened up, my head cleared. I can think, I can function, I'm not tired.
Come see if the Draeger difference can work for you.